Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We are gonna play some more Build a Boat, and there's a secret thing in the game. So I'm already here. So we go to the left side of the waterfall, and then you put in the code to unlock the choker plushie. And after that, I don't know the code. You can look it up on other videos. Sorry. So yeah. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I hope we're gonna do it with this person, because he really knows how to do this. And we're gonna do it through the box. Okay. Oh my god. This is so cool. So this is like part 1 of the whole thing, and it's extremely cool. I remember doing one of the parts, like, you have to make an R. Oh yeah, I remember. Hang on. Oh no. Okay. I remember another one of this, another part is you do this, and then this, and then that, and then you make this arrow, just like that. Yes! Alright, we got it right. I forgot how to do it. You do this. I don't know how to. You do this, I don't know how to. Come on, do it. Please, I hope you know how to do it. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, good. Thank goodness. He knows. He knows, he knows, he knows. What does this button even do? I don't know. So cool. Yeet. They probably should have made it more simple and just go down and click the lever. But I think this is still cool. I'm not really comparing it. I think I have to make a B sign over here. Yeah, something like this. Do you know how? Yes. So over here, make an R like this. Get pause through it, and then over here, make an arrow, and then over here, like that. Now we're gonna follow this guy. He's our guide. So I don't 100% know how to do it. Like, he's gonna be our guide. Alright, click the lever. Yes, this is so intense and cool. And for part 1 of this whole thing, you get 200 gold. I think I already told you. Come on, let's do these. After you. I'm just gonna push him. Come on. After you, my friend. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is happening to me? Let's do this. My friend is coming, my friend is coming. Okay, let's go, let's go. We're gonna do it with my friend. Oh shoot, I wasn't able to type it. Let's go. Yes, you guys remember to hit for health if you watched my previous video. You won! Oh my god, I won! There it is, the Russo'S sword. Hey, I'm supposed to have it. Hey, so mean. I already knew that. So we have to defeat this computer boss. It's gonna be really fun. This is also based on the RB battles event, so oh my god, it's so excited. I mean, I've done this before, but it's fun to do it. Okay, so we're gonna send UFOs. So a shortcut you can do is just camp over here, and it won't even hit you. Yeah. Oh my god. No computer is programmed for this that can actually hurt people. Well, I got hurt. Alright, there we go. Oh my god, like, what is he even doing? I mean, the computer is a hacker, so obviously it can hurt people. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the part where it gets harder. But not for me. Yes, come here, ninja. My person. Oh no, my friend is suffering. And now this is where you stop over there. Jump over these. Oh, never mind. You can't just go in one place. Oh my god. Okay. Just jump over these guys, and you have to get onto these. I just really love this event. It's so cool. Come on. Yes. Oh yeah. Alright. Now, there's nothing you can do over here. Oh no, he might, no. It's okay, you come back. No worries. Okay. Uh-oh. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool if you're part of the team. Everything is awesome. When you know what you're doing. Everything is, alright. And our only chance in winning this, if I die, then the whole thing restarts. I can't die. I just can't die, because they come back. Yes, we regained health. You see these red particles? That means we regained health. Alright. Sorry about the background sound if you hear that. Oh no. So this one, the trick, like, you have to wait until the orange beam comes and then jump at the same time, at the right time. Or you can just jump over it. Oops, I just missed that. Alright, and don't touch the red tiles, those fall. And you have to focus on two things at once. So it's basically multitasking. So yeah, that's a good matter of practice. Okay. Oh no, I kind of messed up there. Yes. And I have no idea what that other hand is doing. Like, what is that? Oh no. This is the part where it gets tricky. This time you jump over it. Oh, not yet. Take that. Hang on. It doesn't, like, where you have to jump right over it yet. My friend, he didn't even get hit once yet. Oh my god, after he respawned. Dang. It's okay if I die, because as long as these guys don't, then it's good. Alright, this is the one where you jump over it. Oh no, it's okay. Yeah. Now you have to actually jump over it. I'm not one more hit. I'm not one hit. So. Oh no, he died. It's okay. You see, we regained health, so it's okay. Guys, come on, before the fort disappears. He's so mad. Okay. Oh yeah, this one, when it's red, that's when you jump, like, avoid it. Yeah. It doesn't, like, smash or anything, so it's good. So it's okay. It only follows one person. Oh my god. Yeah, also my friend Kaden, Kitakoa, is like, he's pretty good at obbies. Yes, okay. We are almost done. Oh my god, this is like the second part of the last part. Okay. Oh my god. Yes. Oh shoot, sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, how is he floating? Oh shoot, I forgot about this. You need to avoid this as well. Okay. Oh shoot. It's okay, we're good. Alright, so it kind of gives us a warning that's about to hit us, because it goes back and then starts doing it. Yes. We regained health. We're doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it. Oh my god. Last part now. Yes, this is. It's so mean. Oh, wait, what? I did it right away. Oh, it's doing it faster. Do it over here, do it over here. Yes, it is. And you destroy it, and then we all go boom. And then we go blind, like this. Hang on. It's all neon blocks covering the whole screen. Okay. Yes, we did it. Hang on. Yes. Okay, that's better. When it's gone, we raise it back up. Let's go. Alright, it's about done. Yes. Now we can get the sword, remember? Yay, we got it. And we get 200 gold from it. This was the second time I'm beating it. And then I do not know what you do after. But guys, that'll be it for me today. I hope you like and subscribe. Let me know if you're able to defeat the boss. And this is really fun. It's a really fun adventure. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.